Hello, my name is Esteban Ceballos, Senior StudentLink Counselor at the StudentLink Center. Thank you for joining us today. Throughout this presentation, I will be providing you with guidance on Bursar-related matters. We will learn how to understand your bill, payment plans, and private lending. Throughout this video, there will also be a short quiz. I will encourage you to try it as it will enhance your learning experience. Let's talk about understanding your bill. On your Bursar statement of account, you'll see items listed as debits and credits. Registering for classes generates your school-related tuition and fee charges. Some additional debits that may appear on your Bursar statement include NYU housing, a meal plan, and NYU student health insurance. Depending on your school or program, you may see other debits as well. Specific courses and school charges additional fees such as lab fees, media fees, etc. The charge is assessed at the time of registration for that particular course and can be found on the tuition fees page on the NYU Bursar website. Credits include any payment that are posted on your Bursar account. These are payments made to account by the student, authorized users, financial aid, or third-party sponsors. Adjustments to your Bursar account, such as dropping or adding a class, removing or adding a meal plan, for example, can create a credit or debit on your Bursar statement account. Once you have enrolled in the minimum number of credits required for eligibility, you will also see any accepted financial aid listed as anticipated. To ensure your anticipated financial aid awards will be credited to your account, please do the following. Begin by logging into Albert Student Center. First, check for holds. Be sure to click the links of any holds you have to review the detailed information. One of the most common holds that will prevent your aid from being credited or dispersed to your account is the enrollment mismatch hold. Second, check your to-do list. Be sure to click the link on any to-do list items to learn the steps needed to complete them. Items on your to-do list may be preventing your financial aid from being credited to your account as anticipated aid. Approximately 10 days before the start of the term, your financial aid should be dispersed to your account. And if you're expecting a refund, the process of refunding will begin at that time. Having direct deposit set up in your account should speed up the process. Let's talk about payment plans. Paying your outstanding balance with NYU is easy with one of two payment plan options the university offers. The Deferred payment plan divides your outstanding balance into 3 installments, a 50% down payment due at the time of enrollment in the plan, and 2 25% installments are due in subsequent months. There will be a $50 fee for this plan, and this payment plan is available to students enrolled in courses and on-campus housing, have maintained good financial standing with the university, and do not have any past due university charges or loans. Simply enroll through your NYU eSuite account. Keep in mind, late payments will be subject to $25 fee. And if payment is not made in full by the final installment due date, interest at rate of 1% per month on the unpaid balance will be assessed. Past due balances may result in registration holds. NYU also offers a 4-month semester-based payment plan in partnership with tuition management systems. This allows for all or portion of college costs to be spread out over 4 months without interest. This plan is not available in the summer or January terms. Since this plan is administered through a third party, students that enroll in the TMS payment plan will make payments directly to TMS. To enroll, visit nyu.afford.com. There will be a $50 fee for this plan. Let's talk about private loans. Private loans could come from a bank or other educational loan providers. Usually, interest rates, terms, conditions, and eligibility requirements will vary with private loans. Before considering a private educational loan, if you're eligible, please submit a free application for federal student aid, the FAFSA, in order to be reviewed for federal financial aid eligibility. Some private loans do not offer full deferment options, so it is recommended that you compare your federal options with any private loans you may be thinking about borrowing. A non-federal private loan may be appropriate if you still have a difference between the cost of attendance and the total aid you received after applying for the maximum amount of federal loan suggested to you. Your parents have been denied or will not borrow a Federal Plus loan, and you are a dependent undergraduate student. You are ineligible for a loan because of U.S. government regulations like not making satisfactory academic progress, defaulting on a federal loan, ignoring verification requests, or enrolling in less than 6 credits. You still owe money for a private semester. You are an international student with few borrowing alternatives. If you decide to explore non-federal private loan, lenders will look at criteria like your credit history. Some loan programs also have fixed minimum and maximum amounts that you can receive. To begin the process, you should compare information from different student loan providers to determine which loan may be the best option for you based on your circumstances. There is a list of lenders who have issued private educational loans to New York University students over the past 3 years, available on the NYU Office of Financial Aid website. It is important to note that NYU does not prefer, recommend, promote, endorse, or suggest any of these lenders. Application instructions and details about each loan's terms and conditions are available at the lender's website. Thank you for watching. For more information on this and other financial aid related questions, please visit our website at nyu.edu/studentlink or email us at studentlink@nyu.edu.